Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we're gonna learn about the powder contouring, and this is our model Siddhi, and today I'm gonna teach you how to do powder contouring on her face. So it is really important to use your primer. We'll start with the primer. First step, I'm gonna take a good amount of primer on my hands. So as you see, there's nothing on the face. We directly going with the primer. So her skin is combination again. Like she has a oiliness on her T-zone, and then she has no pores or nothing. So no much primer, only where the oil is there I'm gonna use the primer. Primer is very important. It controls your oil. It also works as a barrier between your makeup and your foundation. So it is very important to go with your primer. And just lightly covering her face with the very little product, and her skin is very normal. You don't have to work too much with primer. A little on her eyelids. So the skin is prepped. Now we'll go with the next step. We'll go with the foundation. So now the right way to choose the foundation. I'm going to take her tone of foundation. So we're going to try 2 to 3 shades, and I'll show you the differences between. Now we're going to check the foundation. I'm going to show 2 to 3 shades of foundation, how to select a foundation shade. So this is the place where we're going to match the foundation. This is the face and the neck. Just apply a thin layer of your foundation and start blending it. Difference. Always the foundation has to match with your neck and your face. So this is the lighter shade and little darker. So as you see, there is 3 different shades are applied on her neck and her face. So the nearest matching one is this one. So we are going with the foundation. So we have got the foundation, how to choose the foundation. Now we are going to apply the foundation. So I'm using a flat brush. Very little, I'm taking the product and starting with the center of her face, with her forehead. So very lightly in a circular motion, start blending the foundation. This is how we blend the foundation in a circular motion when you're using a flat brush. From downwards to upwards. Wherever the uneven skin tone is there, you can take a little more product and start blending there so that we can get a good coverage. Also, we're gonna do the same foundation on the neck. Cover your neck. Once you're done with the neck, go to the ears. So we're done with the foundation. So now we finished our foundation without corrector because her skin is already normal skin. You don't have to correct with her skin. So let's start with the concealer. Now once we're done with the foundation, I'm just going to do a little touch up on her under eyes. So very thin layer in the under eyes. I'm going to take very thin layer. You can use this concealer as a highlighter too. So where all the problematic areas there, like her uneven skin tone, I'm going to correct it with this concealer. Take a fluffy brush and start blending it out. Or you can use a beauty blender too. I prefer going with the fluffy brush. So as you see, one side I have done with the brush, and now I'm going to blend it with the help of beauty blender. So before using a beauty blender, we're going to spray some water on it. So let's start blending out. Lightly we're just going to dab on the skin to blend it out. So we'll start blending with the help of blender. So slowly tap on the skin until it gets blended well onto your skin. So as we completed our concealer, now we are going with the contour. So I'm going to take a foundation stick and I'm going to just do a light touch up on now. So we'll start with the cheekbones. How you're going to take is, this is her ear and this line you're going to take it. So we're just going to uplift one line. I'm going to contour on her jawline and her forehead. As her forehead has not touched big, a very small one, so I'm just going to give a very little touch up on it. So once we completed forehead, I'm going on the nose. Same, the next side on her jawline. So we have marked. Now we're gonna blend it out. Take a blending brush and start blending it on the upperwards. Like creating a C shape. Blend it well. Until it gets blended, keep blending it. In a C shape. For the nose, we are going to take different brush, smaller brush, and start blending it into outer corners. So I'm going to take powder contouring, 2 shades darker to her skin tone I'm going to take. So I'll mix with this too. Start the same way, same motion, apply the product and start blending it. Always blend towards upward. Upward blending. Onto the jawlines, blend well. I will touch it on the nose and the forehead. Step is the loose powder. We're going to take a loose powder and we are going. So this helps whatever the harsh lines is there, it covers your dark lines and gives a smooth finish. Now you can see the contour differences. So next I'm going with a blusher. Let's get started. Apple of the cheek. Just tap that and take towards, lift it towards your cheekbone. We'll touch up on the nose and forehead. Whatever the left product is there in the brush, we just wanna dust it out on the face. So we are done with the blusher. So let's go with the highlighter. In a V shape and blend it out very well. Also a little touch up on the temple of the forehead. So let's go to the eyes. I'll start with the base. So I'm gonna take a eye base, a corrector, and I'm going to create a base with my fingers. You can do this with the brush too, but I feel comfortable to do it with the finger because I feel it gets blended very well, so I'm using my finger. Okay, now we are going with the eyeshadow and I'm taking a base color. The lip color. So this is how we completed our final look. Thanks for watching, guys.